Hello and welcome to softexpert. In today's video I'll show you how you can use AI in Elementor. So as you know, AI is now everywhere and you can generate website content like text, images, even CSS codes using AI. And similarly, Elementor has launched its features, so you can use AI right in Elementor page builder, where you can generate text, you can modify its tone, like you can make it friendly, you can make it modern or professional. You can even translate your generated text. You can fix spelling and grammar mistakes, and you can write your custom CSS, or you can generate custom CSS codes that I'll show you. And you can use HTML everywhere, and you can also generate HTML codes. So let's see how we can use this and how you can get benefits of AI inside Elementor. And we will be using this website, so let's just edit this with Elementor. And let's scroll down and let's edit this heading and let's generate a new one. So let's click this, and here you can see write with AI. So if I click this, then you will have to approve this. So let's click on this and let's click get started. And I'll generate a title based on this skylight. So this is just an example. So let's click on generate text, and you can see radiant views and natural light. And if you want, you can simplify this language, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can also fix spelling and grammar. So let's click on simplify language, and now you can see the beauty of skylight with radiant views and natural light. And let's say this is fine, so I'll just click on use this text, and I don't have to remove the text, this will auto replace the text. Now we have a new title, this was the previous one and this is a new one. Let's do the same for this text. So if I click this and let's click on write with AI, and this will also give you some suggested prompts like write a product description for, create a blog post, craft an about section for this, and so on. So you can use any of these or you can write your own. Let's use this one, and again I'll write skylight. And you can see Skylight is a company that believes in natural light and so on. Now if you think this is too long, you can make it shorter by clicking this. Now you can see this is much shorter, so we can use this and this will replace their text. One more thing is if I click this and again write with AI, I can change the tone. So if I click this, I can make this formal, friendly, inspirational and motivational and so on. Let's make this friendly. And now you can notice the difference here. Welcome to Skylight, we specialize in designing and so on. So this is a friendly tone now. And you can also translate the text here to any of these languages. Let's say I want to use French. And you can see it translated the text to French. And now we can use this. We have that description. So this was the previous one, and this is now a French description that we generated using AI. One more thing is if I click on this image, and you can see the AI function here, but this is coming soon, and in the future we will also be able to generate images using AI. And let's also try some custom CSS. So I'll edit this container, we'll go to advanced, and here in the custom CSS I can write any code. So code with AI, I'll click on this, and again this will give you some suggestions like unhover, animate 20% bigger, rotate 10 degrees and so on. So we can try this thing on image first. Let's close this. I'll go to image, we'll go to advanced and custom CSS and code with AI. I'm just trying any of these, but you can write your own and I'll show you later on. So let's click on this and generate code, and we got this code. So let's enter this, and now we can see that this will make the image bigger and will rotate it up to this degree. And you can also change these values, like if I make this 50, this will rotate it like this. You can also change the speed, and now it's slow down the speed and is rotating to the right side. And now let's try something else. I'll remove this and we'll edit this container, this whole container, and we'll go to advanced, we'll go to custom CSS, code with AI, and let's try something our own. So I'll write something like this and we'll generate code. So within a second we got this code, and let's enter this, and you can see there is an animated background with 3 colors, and you can also change the colors here. You can change the color degree, which is the angle, and these are the color positions. So this is the power of AI. Using a few clicks you can generate these type of complex codes, you can generate titles, you can generate text, images, and so on. So this was how you can use AI in Elementor, and if you want to learn more about Worldface and Elementor, you can follow my channel. I have lots of videos about Elementor and Worldface, and still if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.